Hey everybody, and welcome back to the RC Specs channel. Today, we're just going to talk about tools. I bought some new tools, and I just wanted to share with you guys the new tools that I bought. I know it's been a while since I've been making videos, but I've been busy, with a lot of stuff. So I'm back, and I just wanted to share some turnbuckle wrenches that I have. This is a normal team associated turnbuckle wrench. It's pretty good. I like it because it's really thin, and you can get into small places with it. Yeah, yeah. It's really not bad. It's a good turnbuckle wrench for any use touring cars, off road, and anything any RC car. It's really good, and it's free if you get a team associated car. They usually supply turnbuckle wrenches like this with them, and it's not a bad tool. I like it because you can get into tight places with it and make adjustments under pressure while you're at the track. If your camber, gets messed up or something. And I got this shell shell racing turnbuckle wrench. This one's a little thicker, and I like it because you have more grip to it, so you can hang on to it, and you can basically make a little bit more finer adjustments because it's fatter and you have more of a grip. But sometimes I found with this that it's like you can't really get into tight areas. Sometimes with the other vehicles, the shock springs might get in the way because so that's why I kind of kept my smaller one so I can get into tight places. And this one, with the 4x4, I can use it because the shocks are very open, like with this B64. The shock towers don't really get in the way in the B64, but with some other cars, the shock positioning might be a little angled, like my B5M Lite. I'll probably have to use different shocks, or my touring cars. But this is good because it also has a J Concepts. Um, it has a N for J Concepts and Lunsford turnbuckles, and on the other side is for Associated. And it also has a tool to where you can adjust your shocks with. I never used it yet, but this area right here, you can adjust your shocks with them. Um, yeah, so that's the cool thing about this one. But my latest turnbuckle wrench I got was a new one from VRP, and it's kind of in the middle of of, of those two. It's the VRP turnbuckle wrench, and yeah, there it is. It's kind of it's kind of in between thick and compact. It's kind of like it's not too small, not too thin, or it's not too thick either. So I find it to be the perfect balance. Okay, just move this here. Some light on it. and it's made out of aluminum. So, and it's compact, so you can get in tight places, and it's also thick enough so where you can have enough grip. So that's why I got it. Yeah, so it's made out of aluminum. It's pretty lightweight. Yep. So there you have it. I have a Shell Team Associated and a VRP turnbuckle wrench. Also, the cool thing about the VRP turnbuckle wrench is that it has the same thing. It has the aside for the Lunsford turnbuckle wrenches, and it has a side for the regular Team Associated turnbuckle, not turnbuckle wrenches, but turnbuckles. It has a yeah, a side for the Team Associated turnbuckles and a side for the Lunsford and J Concept turnbuckles. This is a little bit bigger. It's a 3.6, and I guess the Team Associated is a 3.2. So yeah, if you're looking for a good turnbuckle wrench, I suggest checking out the VRP turnbuckle. Yeah, check it out. It's really cool. I mean, if you like racing and you know you want some tools that can like you get a little grip and you get a little bit better feel, check out the VRP turnbuckle wrench. And that's the part number. VRP 1278. Yep. That's just my B64D. I'm gonna do another video on that just to give you guys my in-depth experience with it. It's really good buggy. All right, well that's enough for RC Specs channel. So check out the VRP turnbuckle wrench. Really good wrench. Thick enough to have enough grip and small enough to get in tight places. You know, for your turnbuckles. All right, thank you.